A very good morning to all of you. Again, after a long duration of time, we are again back to our online classes. In social studies, today we'll start a new chapter. Chapter 8, Safety First. Children, open page number 64 in your SST book. Safety first. Safety means suraksha, security. See, following rules. To live a safe and comfortable life, we have to follow rules. Children, to be safe and to live a very comfortable and easy life, there are certain rules that we have to follow in certain places. We have rules at home, at school, and on the road. Children, whenever we go to somewhere, anywhere, like school, park, shopping malls, road, and in our home also, we have to follow certain rules which helps us to keep ourselves safe, and it also helps us to prevent from some harmful incidents. If there are no rules, then there will be a confusion everywhere. If there will be no rules, then you will never know what to do, what not to do. Traffic signals on the roads ensure that there is a safety on roads. Children, in road also there are traffic signals. Green light is there, red light is there, yellow light is there, which gives us signals when to go, when to stop, and anything else. Certain rules in school safeguard the students and other people working there. In school also, you all follow many rules, like after you come to school, you have to keep your bag in your class, then you have to make a line, then you have to go for assembly, then again in line you have to come back to your class, etc. So these rules are meant to safeguard you. Rules at home ensure the safety of our families. In home also, we have to follow many rules which helps to keep ourselves and our family members safe. Rules are needed so that we must all live in peace. It is important that we follow these rules so that we are safe. So children, we follow rules and regulations to keep ourselves safe, and it also helps us to live a easy and comfortable life. There are many places where certain rules are there for our safety. Like in home also, we have to follow many rules to keep ourselves safe. In school, and whenever we are moving or walking or driving in a road, there also we have to follow many kinds of rules that helps us to keep ourselves safe. Now come to rules at home. You may think that we do not need rules at our home. Now, children, you must be thinking, at home, why do we need to follow rules? However, we need to follow rules at home to be safe. But it's not like that. At home also, we have to be safe, and for that we have to follow certain rules. Breaking a rule is not good. We should never break rules because following rules helps us to lead a very comfortable life and makes us a good and better people. It also makes our work easier. Following rules also prevent us from doing things that might harm us. If we follow rules, then we will never do such things which harm us. Here, there are certain rules that we have to follow at our home to keep ourselves safe. One by one, we will go through it. Number 1. Keep your room neat and clean. We should keep our room neat and clean. Number 2. After playing with toys, keep them in their right place. Whenever we are playing with any toy, we should not keep it anywhere or throw it anywhere. Someone might fall from it. So, we should keep our toys at right place. Number 3. Turn off the water tap when you are not using it. Children, as you know that water is one of the most important and essential element of our life. So, whenever we are not using water, we should turn off the tap. Number 4. Turn off the light switch or fan before leaving the room. Children, whenever you are not present in a room, you should turn off the light switch or fan. As you do it in your school also, whenever you are going for assembly or for your lunch time, you all switch off the fan, switch off the light to save the electricity. Next, do not touch the light or fan switch with wet hands. Do not touch electric sockets. Whenever we are washing our hand or we are having wet hands, we should never touch electrical sockets or appliances with wet hand because it will give us electric shock. Next, do not use knives, blade or any sharp object. Use safety scissors under supervision. We should never play or use knife, blade or any sharp object which are harmful for us. If we are using scissor, then you should use safety scissor but under the supervision of some elder. Next, stay away from the gas stove, cylinder or pipeline. We should never touch the gas stove, cylinder or pipeline because gas, cylinder and pipeline may cause a very harmful incident. So we should never go near them. Next, stay away from toilet cleaners, floor cleaners, mosquito spray and other pest control spray as they are very dangerous. We should never use or touch toilet cleaners, floor cleaners, mosquito spray and pest control. Pest control spray means pests are some kinds of insects like lizards, mouse, etc. and these sprays are very dangerous, so we should not touch or play with these kind of sprays or cleaners. Next, always respect your elders and help them in household work. Children, you should help your mother, father, brother, sister and elders in their household work, and you should always respect your elders. Next, Do not talk to strangers and do not open doors for people you don't know. Children, you should never talk to any stranger. Stranger means the people whom you don't recognize or don't know. You should never talk to them, never take anything from strangers, and if you are alone at your home, never open the door to any strangers. Clear? So, today we had learned following rules and rules at home. Today your copy work is you have to write down all the rules at home in your copy. Thank you.